if you can see my hands amongst all this mess. I'm in Mad Lab mode, experimenting. I am trying to find a recipe that will work with my Elmers School Glue so that we can get pearls with it. I got it in before without trying, so it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, I was watching Fiona and Nate, and so what we've got is we've got 1 part paint, 1 part Vallejo Pearl Medium in our white and our red. Not quite a full part. Kind of like between 3/4 and a half of part. Alright, and because I'm not actually weighing and measuring. Alright, and then to these two, I put a squirt of satin acrylic varnish, because when I mix my white and my school glue and my Vallejo Pearl Medium, my cells have a tendency to keep growing, right? And so instead of like the Liquitex pouring medium or something like that, I thought maybe, I'm thinking maybe a little bit of the satin varnish will kind of pull it, keep them structured. That's the word I'm looking for. Give it some structure. Help bind it into that cell. I don't know. Will it work? No idea. That's why we're doing this. That's why we're doing these. So I got them all mixed with my school glue. I just need to add my water till they are nice and super runny. And you want them almost as thin as water. That is looking good. That is looking good. It's not quite an indent. There is just the slightest hint of a mound. Yeah, that might be good. Okay. Okay. Let's see, where were we? Here we go. Now, maybe you can see that one better. And then here are our colors. All right. This one has the satin enamel varnish in it. This one has the satin enamel varnish, and they both have Vallejo Pearl Medium in them. These do not. These are just school glue medium and water that are just, yeah, regular school glue pouring medium, paint, and water. Thin to the consistency I need. And yeah, those will be our pour over colors. So these are going to be our pearl colors we want. I'm so drawn to you. And torch. There we go. And now I'm going to pour my black cover up over here on the red, and my blue cover up over here on the white. Stretch that down. This glue, stretch this down, it's slippery. Go. Oh, come on. Go. Come on. I need you guys to go over the red. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Now remember, what we're hoping for are red and white cells. Okay. I see some action happening. I do. They are small and weird. Oh, they're almost like flower shaped, or I don't know, lily pad shaped. They're weird. All right. Yeah, there's the bubbles. These don't count. Only these count. Oh, and I don't like them. They have the weird. Maybe I'm not gonna. They're not what I expected. I'm not gonna say I don't like them because maybe they'll grow on me. It's just, it was a shock. I was not expecting that. They look really strange. They are a different type of pearl or cell, or I don't know what you call it. Odd. Really odd. Huh. That is so strange. Here, let me bring you down and you can have a look. Okay, check that out. Are those just the strangest? I mean, they're kind of cute in their own little weird way. Most of these little white ones here are the air bubbles that popped. They didn't come up naturally. But yeah, the ones around the edges, those are all natural. And they look like blossoms falling through the air, don't they? Like little cherry blossoms or apple blossoms. Very, very strange. Okay, I'm back, ready to do a dip, because that is so cool and interesting and pretty. So, I have a little 8x8 DaVinci Pro Panel cradle board. I got it all taped off so that paint won't run down my sides and get the really pretty wood all icky and everything, so we can stain it later if it's pretty. And yeah, let's go for this.
So chaser, you turn me on. Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for you. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me.
For you, I'm gonna pull it up towards me. Here we go. Ooh, paper wants to come with a little bit. Okay, did we get every spot? Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Let me get some cups down so you can see. That is pretty. Oh, look at the white starting to come up. Haha. Oh, the paper is looking cool too. Very cool. That's going to make a really cool skin. I don't know, I'm going to have to move in and kind of ruin it a little bit, but okay, there we go. Here we go. All right, give it a little light torch. Oh yeah, lots of air bubbles in there. That's okay. We're cool. That is so cool on the paper though. I wish it would do that up here. Now I want to dip it again. Yeah. Yeah, the paper is prettier. The paper is prettier than the canvas. Ah! Man, don't you hate when that happens? It's still developing though, so it still might go to town. I don't know. But yeah, here. Pull that away. Can you see the paper? Look at the paper, how beautiful that is. I want that on a canvas, man. It's kind of getting there, a little bit. Not as beautiful as that though, holy cow. Should I dip again? Should I? Dare I? Dare I? I dare. I dare. I must. I must. I must. Because, yeah, why not? It's only paint. It's only a canvas board. All right, here we go. Let's do it the opposite way, though. Ooh, how would that be? Yeah, let's throw it in the opposite way. All right, here we go. Take two. Haha. All right, there we go. And now we're gonna pull up. Ooh, there we go. All right, get my cups down. Get my cups down in place. Trying to get them down fast enough so you can still see the magic happen. Oh, that's prettier. I like more that I like it that the black showed up more in this one. Now if I can get the white to react and be nice, I'll be happy. We're back with dry results. I was kind of disappointed with this one when it first started popping its little cells because they were such weird little wonky cells. But I'm super stoked and excited about this one now because I think it's because of the color palette we used. I'm not sure. I don't know, but they look like blossoms, don't they? It looks like a mass of like cherry blossoms or crabapple blossoms just floating around. I love it. And right, remember we did red and white for our pearls and blue and black for our pour over. So it worked perfectly. We've got our red cells, we've got our white cells, and then we've got the blue and black kind of laying down in between all of them. And so yeah, it was a success. It just, some of the cells are just really weird and wonky, but kind of cool too. I don't know what to think. I don't know if it was a fail or a success, but it was definitely a learning experience. And it was fun. And then here's our dip. Pretty little dip. I love how the white reacts. So that's going to look really pretty with a little coat of resin on it. And then I will stain the sides, the wood. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that one too. Do you want to see the skin? Oh my gosh, the acrylic skin from the table. Gorgeous. Hold on, I'll be right back. It's kind of dark over here in this neighborhood. I don't have my studio lights going over here. But yeah, it's so pretty. Look at all those pretty reactions. Yeah, I'm loving this paint skin. So this will get used for some other type of project. I don't know which one yet, but it'll get used. That's for sure. While I've got you here, I want to remind you to go check out Dave and Janice. They were right before me, and their video links are down in my description. I will get this right. Spit it out, Julie. So please, yes, do those UB2B thingies for all three of us, please. The likies, subscribies, and sharies. We appreciate it so much. And it's free for you, and it helps us get our videos out there in the algorithms, get them be seen, and yeah, those views count up, and that's how most of us on YouTube make our money so that we can keep buying our art products and keep showing you really cool, fun experiments like this, because not everybody can afford to do the super thanks, super chats, and super stickers. So if you're one of those people that can't afford to do those things, then doing the likey, subscribey, sharey things is a sure way to help us out. Okay, we're back over here with the dry results and where my studio lights are shining brightly. And tell me what you think down into the comments. You know, do you think this was a fail or a success? Because I'm really digging the painting, so I'm thinking it's a success. But yet at the same time, they're not the cells that I wanted to begin with. so it's kind of a fail. So I'm going to keep tweaking my recipe before I give it completely to you, but you can experiment too. Like Nate Bright says, you know, be fearless. Add a little of this or a little of that to your paints. See what kind of reactions you get. They might surprise you. And they might thrill you. Okay, well, I'm heading out, and I will see you again next Thursday, starting with Dave at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, followed by Janice at 10:15, and then myself. And you never know, we might end up having a guest pop in for a cool tutorial video too. Who knows what the future holds? Okay, till next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!